When we say acne, we all know it is a disease of sebaceous gland, that is oil gland. Oil gland is normally, it's present all over the body except of your palms and sole, but they are mainly active on your scalp, face, chest, back and ear canal. So oil secretion is totally depend on our hormone. So that's why when we enter into puberty, our skin changes. It becomes oily, it becomes combination, or it becomes dry. Even if it is a dry skin, oil glands are still there, but they are not active. Oil secretion is important in our body because it works as an antibiotic, antifungal. It helps us to maintain the hydration by preventing the evaporation of water, and it is a precursor of vitamin D. That means it helps in formation of vitamin D. So what goes wrong when we say about the acne? Why we get acne? Why this thing happens? Because of the abnormal oil secretion, because of the blockage of the pore, and because of formation of whiteheads, blackheads. The normal bacterial flora increases and it forms some pores and big pustules. Same thing happens in truncal acne. Truncal acne, when acne occurs on your chest, back, shoulder. Few times it's very mild, but most of the time they are severe. All the back is involved. They leave black marks, they leave scars on your back, and sometimes they are very painful eruptions on the back. So truncal acne, though we consider it as a pubertal thing, and acne as per se we consider as because of the hormonal changes, why should we treat? We treat to prevent the pigmentation, to prevent the scar which are permanent. To prevent those permanent scars, we need a treatment. First, I'll talk about prevention. When I say prevention, everybody knows: drink water, keep your body hydrated, keep your body temperature less, and do exercise. Exercise for whatever exercises you can do, so that you sweat and the pores get open. Or you can go to your nearby dermatologist, consult him, who will treat you and guide you how to take care of it. Creams containing benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid, which can be given, or if it is hormonal issue, doctor might give you some hormonal treatment, which is important. Please understand this. And if you want to consult me, you can drop in your email ID after this. Thank you so much.